ice cream. It's probably closed. I don't know. Come on up here. Say peace. That's our Homebeez right there, all the way from Colorado. They're riding in Missouri with us. And yeah, we're taking the interstate because it's getting late and we're wanting to go to get some ice cream at the cheese factory if it's open. Yeah. That's our Homebeez. Yeah, they're riding up the side of us again. This is a lot of fun. I think they're having a good time. Pretty sure they are. It won't start. Yeah. Eee, doggies. He's doing Joshua's thing. Like he's pedaling. That's good. Something dead in the road. I think they're having a good time. I hope they are anyways. Hope we didn't bore them too much while they was down here. We just had a pretty good barbecue and decided we'd go see if the Oceola Cheese factory's open and get us some ice cream. Mark's bike sounds good too. That's what me and Josh do, isn't it? Huh? What? Me and Josh do that. Ooh, doggies. They're coming back behind us now. What do you say?
Cheese!
Cheese! Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Cheese!
Cheese! Cheese! Okay, what do we say?
Cheese!
Cheese! Look, they ain't supposed to be up there. There's a sign over there to the right that says, please do not climb on Scotty. And look who's standing on Scotty.
I don't know how to read.
We gotta get out of here before we get in trouble.